Now recording has started. Now this is the page. On this page, you can see on the right hand side it is written MC Goel. It means you have logged in and this is your dashboard. This is known as a dashboard in which you can see my courses. You can easily find my course. In this, you can see there are various classes that are there. OR MBA3C, BBA5C, BBA5D. These all are the classes that I am teaching, and OR is the operation research, DM is digital marketing, BR is business research. So all these subjects I'm taking in this class. So when you open up your folder in my course, you will see your class as in BBA1. Whenever you click on BBA1, you will see various subjects. If I click on this, just because it is just operation research, I'm teaching one subject. In this, you will see various list of subjects like business maths and foundations will be there, your business accounting will be there, and there will be many subjects. Business English will be there. So there will be list of subjects. Whenever you click on a subject, and if you have a quiz or a class test or an assignment or a case study, whatever it is, it will be pre-scheduled, right? So if you click on any of the page like internal 2, this is the second internal that is going on, and as you can see on your screen, it is written attempts allowed 1. So let us understand what do we mean by this. See, this is your scorecard. Allowed attempts means 1, you can attempt any question only once. Then the timings is given that it will start at what time, it will end at what time. Time limit is 45 minutes and attempts are 47. It means there are 47 students in this class. This is MBA final year and I'm having 47 students in this particular specialization, and time limit is 45 minutes. Now there are two types of timings. One is the quiz time, the opening time, and second is the time to attempt. What is the difference? If I open up the quiz, I say your test is from 11 to 12. It doesn't mean that your test is for complete 1 hour. It doesn't mean that your test is for complete 1 hour. If it is 1 hour, it just means the window will open for 1 hour. The window will open for 1 hour and test might be for, as it is written, time limit 45 minutes. It means all those students who are starting with the test at 11, they have to wind up by 11:45. Those students who will start the test at 11:05, they will again get 45 minutes and they can wind up by 11:50. All the students who are enrolling or starting or login at 11:15, they have to wind up by 12. But there's a difference. If a student opens up the test at 11:20, he can log in, but he will get only 40 minutes, 40, because the opening time is till 12. 11 to 12 is the time for opening up the Moodle, and time limit is 45 minutes. It is your mistake that you logged in at 11:20. You have lost your 5 minutes. You have lost your 5 minutes because by 12 the test will over. You will not be able to attempt. So if I giving you the window for 11 to 12 and your test is for 45 minutes, if you log in at 11:40, you will get only 20 minutes to attempt your test. If you log in at 11:45, yes, you can log in at 11:45, but you'll be able to attempt only for 5 minutes. So this is the difference. So if I'm giving you timings for the window that is 11 to 12, it doesn't mean you will get the complete timings. Take care of this whenever you will start. You'll be starting soon with your Moodle, with your CES, your quiz. So kindly take care. Right? Now attempts 47. What it means that there are 47 students in the class, but one student can attempt only once. Right? This is the grade card. Finished, marks, grade and review. Marks means I have made the test for 40. Marks 40 means I am telling you that it is for 40 marks, but from 40 grading will be out of 10 only. So this is our internal method that I'll tell you what it is, and review is not permitted. You cannot go back to your test and see what have you clicked as an answer once it is submitted, right? Now I'm going to the screen where you can see how you need to attempt the question, what type of questions will be there in the test. See, if I am going on this internal 2, actually the time has over for this test. It was yesterday, that is the reason that this is not opening. I just show you how you can, attempt the test. Mm, okay, let me just increase the timings that only I can do. You will not be able to do this. If I open up the test again, this setting is with the faculties only. See, now it is open. This is important. It will ask you for the quiz password. There are two passwords that you will be needing. One password is this password where you have signed it, your ERP ID and the password given by the CMS department, right? That is the username and password. Quiz password will be different for different subjects and different tests. If there is a class test 1, there will be a different password for it. If there is a class test 2, there will be a different password. If it is an internal one, there will be a different password. So every time you have to put in a different password that we will share. While making the quiz, we make these passwords. See, these types of questions will be there, right? These types of questions will be there. Like this is the first question. A dairy plant has 5 plant tankers as an example. Answer which matrix is there after the row reduction. Many of you must have studied the operation research as a subject in your school. If you know, you can answer this question. This is the complete question. If we do the row reduction, what is the answer? This is the option A. This is the option B. This is the option C. And this is the option D. I'll be teaching you maths for section A. For section A, I'll be teaching maths. So I can give you these type of questions. You need to tick on one answer. If C you think is the answer, you just have to click it, right? And see on the right hand side, there are 40 questions. On the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 40. Time left is 44 minutes and start a new preview. That is for me. That is nothing, right? On the right hand side, you will see that how much time is left for me to attempt. On the left hand side, extreme left hand side, where question 1 is written, marked out of 1. What it means, this question is of 1 mark and you will be getting 1 mark when you attempt this question, right? Then if you want to move to the next question, you can click on the right hand side button, the next page. As soon as you click on the right side, next page, right, then you can click on this 2. It means this is the second question. The estimated time required to perform an activity. The estimated time required to perform an activity is the duration. Next. Now I would like to answer the next question. Question number 3. See, time is running. The shortest possible time in which an activity can be achieved under ideal circumstances. The shortest possible, it is the most optimistic time. This is the next page. This way you will be able to complete, right? If this is the answer for this, see these types of questions we can give you. There are various options and it can give you these types of options. If C is the answer, next page. This way you will be able to complete your test and you can check side by side what is the time left. Take care of one thing. Take care of one thing. Once you click the answer and press the next button, you will not be able to move back to the question. Now this is the ninth question. As you can see, you cannot go back to the eighth question and change your answer. I'm repeating, it is not possible for all of you to go back to the previous question once you have marked the answer and you have clicked on the next. One also very important thing, we have not kept any negative marking. By mistake, if there is a wrong answer you have clicked on, there is no negative marking, right? If I answer this question and click on next, now this is the question. If this is the answer, I'll click on next, right? Now I want to show you, as soon as you see, you can also skip the answer. Here you can see that you have answered just 11 questions. See, you have marked the answer, it has become dark. Now it is still right. If you have missed it, still you cannot go back. After even missing, still you cannot go back, right? I just want to show you how you can see the scorecard. It is, yes, it is possible. See, true, false types of questions we can give you. We can give you multiple choice questions. There are different types of questions we can give you. Moreover, there can be a question, then there is a question and we are giving you a blank here. You have to calculate it and write the answer. As an example, in the maths, if I ask you to calculate the mean or calculate the profit, and I'm giving you a blank, a fill in the blank, you have to calculate it and write it, what is the answer. This type of question can also be there. There is no point skipping the question because there is no negative marking. Just at the end, as soon as you press the click, finish and submit button. Now this is the last question. See, on the last question 40, you can see finished attempt. As soon as you click on finish attempt, you will be able to see, you will not be able to see this, you will be able to see submit all and finished. You can check this, not yet answered, answer saved. Still, if by mistake you forgot to answer any question, you cannot change it. You cannot mark it now. It has submitted. Now submit all and finish, submit all and finish. It will be at the end only this scorecard on your screen. Because I am a faculty and I have made this question, I can see all the answers, which one is correct, 1 out of 1, 1 out of 1, 0 out of 1, that was the wrong answer that I have clicked on. But as a student, you can only see this one. Started on, stated means it is finished, completed on, time taken. You have taken 5 minutes 29 seconds to answer these 40 questions. Marks 10 out of 40. And grade is, I told you it is out of 10, so you have scored 2.5 grade out of 10. So as soon as you click on the finish button, you can see your marks. Right? This is about Moodle. Now, various types of questions we can ask you. We can ask you to, do the assignment and upload the answer. We can ask you to do the calculation, click the picture and upload the answer. We can ask you to write an essay and you have to type it. Yes, there is a space and you can type in and we can, we can check it and give you the marks. So these all things we can do on the Moodle. There will be 3 class tests, that is CES, continuous evaluation system we are following. There will be 3 continuous evaluation during your semester, complete semester, CES 1, CES 2, CES 3, and there will be 2 internal examinations, a kind of half yearly and final term examination. Half yearly means you will get your 50% of the syllabus in internal 1, 50% of the syllabus in internal 2. That is, if you have 6 units, first 3 units in the internal 1, that will be after 1.5 to 2 months of the semester. Then again, after covering 50% of the syllabus, that is unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, again you will be uh, having an internal 2, which will cover all the syllabus.
Can you repeat?
Right? I'm telling you that there will be 2 parts in the syllabus. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, that is the 50% of the syllabus that will be covered in internal 1. Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 6, that will be covered in internal 2. That will be almost at the end of the semester. As an example, we have started with the semester 5. We have already started with the semester 5. We started it on, I think, 21st of June. In August first week, almost at the after 1.5 months, we conducted their first internal. We completed their 20 lectures out of 40 and we took their test. After again 1.5 to 2 months, that is at present October first week, we are again conducting their exam, that is the internal 2, that is covering the last half of the syllabus. So in this way, we are making you practice to take a test for 100% of the syllabus. Then after internal 1 and internal 2, there will be a complete university examination, that is the external examination, right? That is again after 2 months, that is in the month of November, you will be facing your internal examination. Not you, as in the fifth semester, because this time in the BBA1 has started late, so we are giving you ample amount of time. Maybe in the month of January or February you will be having your external exam, but internal 1 we are planning in the month of end November. January we are planning for internal 2, and your three continuous evaluation we will be planning, and every subject faculty will be giving you prior notice of at least 1 week. At least 1 week before, they will be announcing the test and they will conducting the test, right? At present, just because we are not physically present in the college, so there will be only the Moodle test. Might be they take your presentation, you need to present your work in the form of presentations, PPTs, via sharing the screen. Like I am sharing the screen and my video, you have to be present online. That is, you need to share your presentation and you need to speak up like I am speaking, right? This way, this way we can take your presentations. We might ask you to do the case study. We are giving you one question. We are giving you the Google Forms. Like Sir Pankaj sir is distributing few Google Forms to you in which you are filling up the data. In that way also we can take up the exam. We can ask you to do the case study, right? We can ask you to do the case study and upload the answer via Google Forms. So we have different forms in which we can take your online examination. Even we can ask you to upload the assignments on the Moodle. So every faculty has their own way of working. But whenever we are conducting the quiz, we are taking the quiz on the Moodle platform, right? Just give me a moment, please. Session चल रहा है. Okay. Now we'll be having 2 internals. We'll be having 3 CS, that is the continuous evaluation, and at the end we will be having our university examination. CES might be in the form of your presentation, any quiz, your case study, or the class test. We can ask you to do particular set of questions, click the picture, make the PDF, and send it via Google Form or via Moodle. We will teach you all this, how to do this. As an example, I'm just sharing, like I'm sharing the screen. You will be having your own MST ID, that is the official passwords for Microsoft Teams you'll be getting soon. So as soon as you get the ID and password, you will be easily able to log in through Microsoft Teams. You will be having your own accounts. In those accounts, we can upload the presentation, we can upload your course pack, we can upload the ebooks for your reference. So it will be a very helpful tool, right? It will be a very helpful tool. So as you have seen, this type of Moodle platform will be there. You will be enrolling in your subject. You will be enrolling in different subjects, and different subjects you just have to click. We will be sharing you the password. Enter the password, attempt the exam, your questions, see the scorecard, what I have scored. Okay, one important thing, whenever you see whatever is in the screen that you have scored 2.5 out of 10 or 10 out of 40, just click a picture of this and save with yourself. Because at the end or after a day or two, On your WhatsApp group, we will be sharing the award list. Award list is your marks, whosoever is getting what marks. That is the award list we will be sharing. You can cross check. By mistake, it can be a human error. By mistake, if any faculty has put in the wrong marks, you should have a proof कि मैम मेरे इतने नहीं थे इतने आए थे. I have clicked the screenshot. So that is the reason you should click the screenshot of the marks that you have got, just to be on the safe side as a proof. Because if I ask you how can I trust you कि आपके 4 नहीं आपके 5 marks थे, then you have to show the screenshot of the as the proof. Right? This is the Moodle platform. This way you can log out. For login, I already told you username and password you will be getting from the college. You just have to simply log in. Go to my course. You can see different subjects appearing in your list. जो भी आपके subject हैं BBA 1 में. Click on that. You will see this type of screen. OR quiz internal. First internal you want to attempt. CS2 you want to attempt. CS3 you want to attempt. जितने भी faculties जितने भी इसमें questions डालेंगे you can attempt. इट विल बी प्री अनाउंस्ड कि CS1 है इतने टाइम से इतने बजे तक है आप इतना लॉग इन कर सकते हो और इसका इतना ड्यूरेशन है. Right? Okay, one advice: if window is open till 1 for 1 hour, as in 11 to 12, and test is for 30 minutes, do not think कि 11:30 log in कर लेंगे 12 बजे तक तो खुला ही है. There might be some technical error. विंडोज ओपन नहीं हो रहे हैं, लॉगिन नहीं हो पा रहा है, कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिच हो रहा है, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है. फॉर दैट वी आर गिविंग यू विंडो. सो ट्राई टू लॉग इन बिफोर आई वुड से एट 11 और बिफोर 11 कि आपका लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड काम कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. कुछ टेक्निकल इशू आ रहा है, कुछ अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, माउस काम नहीं कर रहा है, वाईफाई नहीं है या कुछ भी आपका चार्जिंग का प्रॉब्लम है, फॉर एनीथिंग डू ज्वाइन बिफोर the scheduled time. ऐसा नहीं है बिल्कुल end moment पे ही join करना है, right? After you see all your MBA 3 or whatever is the exam, just click on that, right? Here it will be attempt quiz. I am a faculty, that is why it is written preview quiz now, just to check whether I have put in the right questions or not. That is the reason it is written preview quiz. On your desktop, it will be attempt quiz. You should also check the timings for the quiz. It is 25th September 2022, 25th September 2023, 4 to 5. You should check each and everything. Right? Then you can attempt. You should see all 40 questions are there. Your time has started. Start attempting the question, finish the quiz, submit in, and take a picture of the scorecard. This should be the process. Right? Okay, I have changed the setting for my exam. Just give me a minute. Because it was today only 11 to 12, students might attempt again. They might try to attempt again. That is the reason I needed to change. Okay. Now, this is all about Moodle. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. One by one, you
Will
can
this
raise.
Moodle work I'm saying, will this Moodle work on mobile?
Yes, this works on mobile. Okay, one thing we have started. Now we are taking internal 2 just to decrease the case of cheating. What we have done, you have to log into MS Team also, and you should, and you have to attempt this quiz via your laptop or desktop. This is important. You cannot use your mobile. From this internal 2 we have started. Otherwise, any technical problem, yes, it can be worked on mobile, and using browser you can do each and everything. You can attempt the quiz, you can submit. It is very easy. Otherwise, just to be sure that students are not cheating, we told them to use the desktop, because we are starting up with the safe exam browser. That is a part of the Moodle. If you click on that, your all other activities on your desktop, you'll not be able to use that. Like you will not be able to open the Google Chrome, any other window, any other tabs you will not be able to open up. and it is a online, online exam with the safe browsing option that we are coming up with. We have not yet started. For that, you will be needing your laptop and desktop. So that is the only reason we have asked all of you to, you have to buy the laptop. Else, if you are unable to, you have to come to college and attempt your exam. Just for the exams, you can come up. Any other doubt? Any other query related to Moodle? Okay, one important thing, if you are in BBA first year, very important thing is just take care, do not enter into any kind of indiscipline with the faculty. Any kind of indiscipline will not be tolerable, and strict action will be taken, because during the orientation we have told you we have a discipline committee here, and any kind of foul language within the class with the students, with the faculties, it will lead to you know taking a very strict action against you. You might have to leave the college. Your attendance might be zero. You will not be able to give your exams. Anything can be there. So be polite, be humble, because this is the online platform. We are putting in lots of efforts, and I know it is also a troublesome for you. So kindly take care of these things, right? And during this semester, we you are having your 6 papers: business English, microeconomics, business accounts, business organization and system, foundation of mathematics and statistics, career and life skills. These are the 6 exams. For all these 6 exams, we will be giving you 3 continuous evaluation and 2 internals. So basically, we'll be giving you 5 tests. And do take care your attendance. You have to maintain 75% of the attendance. Why? There is a reason. In every subject, you will be having 10 marks for attendance. In every subject you will be having a 10 marks for attendance, so do maintain your attendance. One thing, there is a system of academic penalty. What do we mean by academic penalty? If you are not able to maintain your attendance before internal 1, if your attendance for any reason lags below 75%, or it lies below 75%, you need not to submit any fine and give the exam. No, you have to submit last 2 years question paper in the handwriting form, and you have to submit it to the class coordinator. Then only you will be able to sit in the exams. Then only you will be able to sit in the exams. If you are unable to give the academic penalty for any reason, your internal 1 marks will be zero. Your internal 1 marks will be zero. Attendance के तो marks जा ही रहे हैं, internals के भी marks जाएंगे. Moreover, if you are having 75% attendance in your internal 1, do not try कि internal 1 तो हो गया, internal 2 में problem आ जाएगी अगर 75% attendance नहीं हुआ. Do maintain your 75% attendance and be able to give your internal 2. There will be 2 PTMs, parents teachers meeting. Yes, there will be 2 PTMs. One is before internal 1 and one is before internal 2. You have to call your parents. This will be online this time also. So it will be a one-to-one meeting, wherein if you are facing any problem related to any subject, any faculty, you can discuss with us. And if you are creating problem in the class, at least we can chat with the parents. They should be aware. We will be updating them about your marks. We will be updating them about your attendance. Everything we will be updating them. So we'll be arranging the PTM also. Do take care of your ERP IDs. We will be giving you the ERP IDs. Through that, there is a software or there is an application, BVMR app, BVMR Campus app. Download that app. Your ERP ID and the password will be given by the college. You can log in through that. You can see all your records, your attendance, your marks, each and everything will be there. In which lecture, on what time you will be absent, will be present. It is, everything is online. We are following online for the last 2-3 years. So we will be updating your attendance regularly. We are taking your attendance online mode. It is a real time. As soon as your lecture is over, we teacher has submitted the yes button, that yes, the attendance is submit, within a second you can see your attendance whether you have been marked absent or present. Be vigilant. Once mark absent and you were present, no one can change the attendance. You have to be very vigilant. मैम will obviously check किसका attendance absent और किसका present mark हुआ है. Just take care that you have been marked as present if you are present. Right? Attendance will not be changed. So there are many things that you have to take care of because you are in BBA first year, so many things are new to you. So hopefully you'll not face any problem. And regarding the Moodle, take care. There is a time. Timings are very important because it's the first time you will be attempting. So take care of the time. If it is a time slot of 1 hour, it doesn't mean that during that 1 hour your test is for 1 hour. For practical exams, we are giving you 45 minutes. But if it is a theoretical exam, we are giving you 30 minutes to attempt 40 questions. So there is no scope of cheating. 1 मिनट भी नहीं है एक क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए. Not even a single minute to attempt one question. You have to just read it, think about it, press the key and press the next key. That is the only time. So if you're thinking to call your friends or do any cheating via anything, you don't have time for that. Either you'll be missing your exam, your attempts, or you'll be into deep trouble because now it is online. We are watching you whenever you are giving the Moodle. So just take care. Do not indulge in any kind of activity, right? And regarding your course bag, your study material, yes. Once your iCard is there, will be might be we are calling you in a bunch of 10. We are calling you in the college and will ask you to take the course bag, the books. Till the time, take care. We by 15th of October we will be giving you all the course back. What is a course back? It is a detailed book, a kind of book that will be containing all your units. Everything is there. Sample multiple choice question will be there, that what type of question can be asked by a teacher in your exams, in your internal 1, 2 or your continuous evaluation. So everything will be there. Your detailed syllabus will be there, who is teaching you that subject, the detail of the faculty will be there, how you will be marked and what type of questions will be coming, what type of test will be there, and in what lecture will be teaching you what. Everything is in detail. Your unit 1 to 5 or 6, every single note is there. Still you find any problem or any extra notes you want, you can take it, you can seek help from the faculty. Soon we will be forming your WhatsApp group section wise, and we will be creating the MS Teams section wise, same ways by clicking on the link or going to the calendar and clicking on the link. You have to attend your classes from Monday, right? Any query now? Okay.
No, ma'am.
One
Thank
yes,
you, ma'am.
one important. Okay, I'm winding up. One important thing. Uh, what I was telling. Yes, there is a hierarchy that needs to be followed. We will be making class representatives as soon as we are starting with the classes within a week or two. What you have to do, if you have any problem, you have to be in contact with class coordinator, class representative first. Class representative will go to class coordinator. Class coordinator will inform your program coordinator, and for afternoon shift, program coordinator is Dr. Pankaj Saini. So your issue will be resolved in a hierarchy. If you directly want to contact your program coordinator, sorry, it will be a troublesome. First, you have to contact your CR, class representative. That will be we will be making in the first week of the class, that your class coordinator will make. He will represent all your grudges, all your problems, any issues in any lecture, anything. It is your class representative whom you have to report. Class coordinator will report to the class representative, whosoever is amongst you will report to class coordinator. Class coordinator will report to program coordinator. Program coordinator will report to the HOD, that is the Dr. Srivastava, who took session on discipline, and he will report to the director. This is the hierarchy we are following. So do not, miss out any of the people in the hierarchy, and your problem will be resolved for sure. Anything else? ID and पासवर्ड कब
मैम
तक मिल जाएगा आयुष?
यस मैम
एक्चुअली अभी गए हुए हैं बनने के लिए आईडी पासवर्ड. मैनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स दे विल बी रिसीविंग द आईडी पासवर्ड. सर कब तक मिल जाएंगे? Within 1 or 2 days, 90% of the students will get their ID password. All those students who have taken admission late, they will take another 1 or 2 days. So by the end of next week, you all will be able to get your ID password. Ma'am, class कब शुरू होगी? From Monday. Classes are starting from Monday. I think you should be aware about that.
Ma'am,
How will be the CR selected? Your class coordinator will decide on the criteria that how they will select the CR.
मैम
There is no yes.
मैम जो मेल पे जो आईडी पासवर्ड आया है उसका क्या करना है?
Your
Yes, ma'am.
ID your ID is for BBA something. Your name then BBA batch
Yes,
2020.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you have to do? Download MS Teams from Google for your Windows. It will ask you to log in. Use that ID and password and you can log in. There will be a complete software with the complete details. There will be a calendar at the end. जो भावना मैम ने सेशन लिया था MS Teams पे, there will be a calendar. जब जब कोई भी क्लास है, you can directly pick up the timing and the calendar. Click on that and you'll be able. You don't need any link for the classes. Just go to the calendar, click on the join, and you are directly entering into the class. There will be no guest, nothing is there.
Okay,
After
ma'am.
that, we
Yes.
have to log in.
Yes, very important thing. Try to log in because it will be asking you to create a new password one. And if you forget the password, there is a penalty and there will be at least 1 week to reset your password because we have to send the data to the university for the password creation. Do set your password, write it wherever you want to, click the picture, do whatever you want to. Just save your password. That is very important. मैम सीट्स तो 180 आफ्टरनून बैच में, देन हाउ 300 स्टूडेंट्स आर एनरोल्ड. दैट इज आवर प्रॉब्लम. Vanshika will see to it. We might make 6 sections, 5 sections, that we will see to it. Management will see. You will not face any problem in your classes. I have not received ID password. By the end of this week, every single student, not this week, as in the coming week, you will get your ID and password. Ma'am did not receive ID password. And more, you will be getting before next Friday, coming Friday, you all will get your ID password. Right? And 90% of the students whose ID password has been received, kindly try to activate, download Microsoft Teams app, log in, and it will ask you to create the password once you log in, and create the password, do save the password, and you can attend your classes. No problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji,
Ma'am, till then we can log in from the ID which have been which has been used till now.
you don't have your official ID password?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then you will be added as a guest, and yes, you will be able to log in via link. So for the first week or 2 weeks, we will be sharing the same way, sharing links, and you can click the link and join the class. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We have to join the class from new ID password. Yes, you need to join in with the new ID password that you have got. Hanji.
Ma'am, from Monday onwards, we have to log into our official ID.
Yes, Isha. You have to log in to your official ID.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And moreover, if you
On
are
laptop.
for any reason, from laptops, yes. Okay. Just take care for any reason. If you are not able to log in from your official ID password, do not panic. We are sending you the link also. We will be sending you the link like we are sending right now. Click on the link and you will be able to join as a guest. For few classes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
we will be sending you the link and you will be able to join. Yes.
Ma'am, can we log in from our phones?
You can, but it is not advisable.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayush, I have mailed you for joining research program. Okay, for all those I am receiving messages that you want to do a research or write a research paper. what I'm planning, I will make a WhatsApp group and the MST Teams group also, all for all these students who wants to write a research paper or want to do something in research. Give me some time. Let me just make a list for all those who are interested. Then I will make a WhatsApp group and we will take unofficially we will make a group and for the research purpose and we will start writing paper. Just give me some time.
Excuse
Let
me,
me
ma'am.
track interested. Yes.
Ma'am, from where I get your number because I also want to write the research paper.
Dear, I'm there in the afternoon batch. This is Dr.
Okay,
Nancy
ma'am.
Goel. It is in the afternoon batch. You can take my number from there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Else, I'm writing the number in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Hanji.
ma'am, if we will join as a guest, won't we mark absent
No,
in the class?
no. You will not be marked absent if you join as a guest. It is okay. We know you don't have your ID password. That is not your mistake. Yes, take care. If class is at 9 or 1, class is at 1 and you are joining after 1, it is the discretion of the faculty to give you attendance or not. There should not be any arguments कि किस वजह से लेट हुआ, 1 मिनट लेट हो गया, 2 मिनट लेट हो गया. Now it is the faculty wish whether they want to give you attendance or not. Officially, it is like if you are attending after you are joining after 1, we have directed them not to give you attendance. Right? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Do not enter into any kind of indiscipline because we have told them not to give you attendance. Now it is up to them whether they want to give you or not. Else, ethically, they should not give you attendance. Right? And it is 1:53. Take your break and join for the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, have
you, ma'am.
laptop.
Thank you.
Okay, try to arrange one with you. For entrepreneurship cell, I will tell you the which. I will tell you whom you should report.
Ma'am,
Okay.
when will be exams will be held?
Exam will take time. First, you join your classes. You will be getting notices, and we will be telling you. Because you are in first year, so we will give you very, very, very prior information. Don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. Take care.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks to you all.
Thank
Bye-bye.